Imagine you are 65 and you have a great erection, energy, mood, and no problems in bed. How is that possible? The secret is simple, and it's not pills. Today, I will talk about castor oil for men's health and intimate confidence. Castor oil is a plant extract obtained by cold or hot pressing the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, castor oil. Its history of use dates back more than 4,000 years. In ancient Egypt, castor oil was considered the oil of the pharaohs and was used as a means of maintaining health, body care, and preserving male power. In India, traditional Ayurvedic medicine describes it as urges, an elixir that supports vital energy and cleanses the body. In ancient Rome and Greece, castor oil was part of the first aid kits of warriors because it helped to quickly heal the skin and relieve inflammation. Chemical composition: ricinoleic acid, 85 to 90%. A unique monounsaturated fatty acid, almost not found in other vegetable oils. Has a powerful anti-inflammatory effect. Stimulates blood circulation and the lymphatic system. Maintains the elasticity of blood vessels and tissues. Oleic acid, 4 to 5%. Promotes cardiovascular health. Improves the permeability of cell membranes, facilitating metabolism. Linoleic acid, omega, 6, 3 to 4%. Regulates hormonal balance. Participates in the synthesis of cell membranes and prostaglandins. Stearic acid, 1 to 2%. Has a softening effect on the skin. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from destruction. Prevents the oxidation of fatty acids. Micronutrients: calcium, for bone strength and muscle contractions. Magnesium, for the nervous system and muscle relaxation. Zinc, key for male reproductive health. Biological effects on the body is anti-inflammatory action. Ricinoleic acid reduces the activity of prostaglandins E2, which are the main provocateurs of inflammation in tissues. This helps reduce pain, redness, and swelling. 2. Improving microcirculation. Stimulates the expansion of capillaries, which facilitates blood access to small vessels and tissues. This is especially important for areas with naturally weaker blood flow, for example, the pelvic area in men. Stimulation of the lymphatic system. Increases the work of lymph flow, which helps to remove toxins, excess fluid, and metabolic products from the body. Antibacterial and antifungal activity. Contains natural compounds that inhibit the growth of bacteria, in particular Staphylococcus aureus, and fungi, Candida albicans. Antioxidant effect. Protects cells from free radicals, slowing down the aging process. Effect on hormonal background. Supports liver function, which is responsible for the metabolism of sex hormones, including testosterone in men. Skin and hair restoration. Penetrates deep into the dermis, retains moisture, stimulates the synthesis of collagen and elastin. Benefits for men's health, general properties. Helps maintain healthy blood circulation in the pelvic area. Reduces the risk of prostate congestion. Supports hormonal balance and testosterone levels. Strengthens blood vessels and capillaries. Reduces stress and muscle tension. Improves the quality of skin and hair, which affects appearance and self-confidence. So what should you do to improve your erection? 4th place, massage to improve blood circulation in the pelvic area. Purpose: stimulation of blood flow to the pelvic organs, prevention and help with erectile dysfunction, stagnation in the prostate. How to do it? Pour 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil into a glass container. Heat in a water bath to 38, 40 degrees C, body temperature or slightly warmer. Lie on your back. Relax your abdominal muscles. Apply the oil to the area below the navel, the groin area, and the inner sides of the thighs. Make slow circular movements clockwise, slightly pressing on the tissues. Massage for 10 to 15 minutes. Then put on warm clothes to maintain the warming effect. What happens? Ricinoleic acid stimulates the expansion of capillaries. Heat and massage relieves spasms of blood vessels. Venous outflow improves, tissue swelling decreases. Result: a feeling of warmth in the lower abdomen, lightness, and relaxation. With regular practice, there is a lasting improvement in blood circulation. 3rd place, compress to maintain prostate health, external. Purpose: reduce inflammation, facilitate prostate function, prevent chronic stagnation of secretions. How to do it? Fold sterile gauze into 4 to 6 layers. Moisten it in warm castor oil, 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. Apply to the perineum area between the scrotum and the anus. Cover with cling film to retain heat. Place a towel on top. Lie down in a comfortable position, on your back with your pelvis raised or on your side. Hold for 30 to 40 minutes. Then remove and rinse with warm water. What happens? The oil penetrates the skin and stimulates local blood flow. Swelling in the prostate decreases. Lymphatic flow is activated, which helps to remove inflammatory products. Result: reduced feeling of pressure in the perineum, easier urination, improved comfort during intimacy. Second place, 3. Lymphatic drainage through the feet. Goal: general improvement, swelling relief, immunity stimulation, and detoxification. How to do it? Wash and dry your feet before going to bed. Slightly warm 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Rub into the soles and toes for 5 minutes each. Put on warm cotton socks. What happens? Many lymphatic and nerve endings pass through the feet. The oil reduces the viscosity of the lymph and facilitates its circulation. The body more actively removes excess fluid and toxins. Result: reduced swelling in the legs, lightness in the body, deeper sleep. First place, warm lower back massage. Purpose: to relieve tension in the back muscles, improve blood flow in the kidneys and urinary system. How to do it? Apply warm oil to the lower back. Massage for 10 to 15 minutes or simply cover with a towel to warm up. What happens? Heat and fatty acids reduce muscle spasm. Blood circulation in the tissues improves, pain decreases. Result: relaxed muscles, reduced stiffness of movements, a feeling of warmth in the back. Men, health does not return in one day and is not sold in a pharmacy in a magic pill. But there are simple, natural things that work for centuries. Castor oil is one of them. It supports blood circulation, reduces inflammation, strengthens blood vessels, and helps maintain male power for many years. Start taking care of yourself today, and 65 years will be just a number in your passport for you. So do not delay. Take care of yourself, work on yourself, and use what nature has given you. Subscribe, like your health is in your hands.